today, Noah?
We're going on to the 60th anniversary of Universal.
Yeah, 60th
And we're
anniversary
going
of the
on
tram.
the red one.
We're going on a red one, like an old school one? Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know what old school means?
Yeah, like old. We didn't know
Like
old
old.
school tram.
Yeah, old school tram. Is it coming?
Yes. It's
Oh,
over
yeah.
here.
That's cool.
See kind of what they can be made to look like on the inside in just a moment here. So please keep those hands inside the vehicle and remain seated at all times. So as you can see, as a little bit of an homage to the attraction that used to be here, we dressed it up to look like a subway station in San Francisco. And it's beautiful and shiny and new. It's really gorgeous. We've got a little mock-up of hair and makeup over here and wardrobe. Those are some things that you might find on trailers at kind of a staging area for like what we tend to call base camp. Staging area for a set. We've got like a little video village over here. That's where the director can sit and kind of see what things look like. What was that? Oh my goodness. I think. Oh, okay. Everyone remain seated and calm. It's gonna be fine. Hang on to any small children. Okay, I lied. I played a little trick on you. You just survived our completely revamped earthquake, the big one.
You want to see?
We're going to
We got off the tram. Old school tram. Let's see. Okay, there's Norman right there. You see him? You see him right there?
Yeah.
There's Norman right there. Oh, he went back in. My goodness. Look at this big old shopping cart. How big it is. No, do you see how big that is? The shopping cart right here? Yeah?
You can come out, watch. Watch, you can come out.
Yeah?
Okay, I don't want you to do that.
Oh my god, look at King Kong's hand. Huge. Oh, look at Fast and the Furious cars. Oh, no. Oh, let's go see the shark. Huh? You're just dancing? That's all you're doing is dancing? Yeah? Look at the shark.